My name is Akos Bodi. This is my look I created for this collection. I prepared a haircut with On The Rebound as a cutting lotion. To start the haircut, I isolated the fringe with a triangle section at the front. Then I went on to separate the front from the back with a deep zigzag section, just from below the crown to the back of the ears. So I started the haircut at the top of the ear, combed the hair to 90 degrees to the round of the head, and blanketed the shape squarely to maintain the length at the perimeter and the weight at the top of the head. Continuing towards the front, I've taken diagonal forward sections, and each section was over-directed back slightly to maintain and build weight towards the face. Once completed, maintaining hand and body position, repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Continue the haircut at the back, taking a vertical section from the crown to the nape. Using the guide from the crown, I slice the weight off following the head shape. At the back, I worked with vertical sections, over-directed each section back slightly to the previous to maintain length and weight behind the ears. I reshaped the perimeter using slicing from the bottom up. Once I completed the layering, I moved on to the front. I released the fringe area and I point cut squarely to create the shape. I blow dried the hair with a small paddle brush to smooth out the cuticle and create direction. Once I blow dried the hair, I reshaped the fringe area by using point cutting. Once I blow dry the haircut, I personalized and removed weight by using slicing and point cutting. To finish the haircut, I reshaped the baseline and perimeter using slicing from the bottom up. To create texture and separation, I applied hard to get to the entire shape. To complete the look, I used hard head hairspray.